further accelerated melting of the Antarctic ice cap. Even so, the Antarctic summer is a pretty fleeting affair. Already we're seeing temperatures beginning to dip away. Mind you, having spent 2 years as a meteorologist at Halley Bay, I can tell you -8's not a bad temperature for this time of the year. Seriously cold already, though, at the South Pole at -30. Come back home, though, and we're seeing temperatures a bit above the average for the early part of February. Around 9 to 11 degrees through this afternoon, not feeling too bad, almost spring-like if you can get some sunshine. Not a great deal of that, though, I have to say, particularly across Scotland, where we're seeing the cloud thick enough to give some patchy rain, particularly across northwest Scotland. That'll edge a little bit further southwards as the afternoon goes on. Best chance of brightness still across northern England, where still the odd fleeting shower, the odd one drifting down towards East Anglia as well, but fairly few and far between. Through tonight, though, we'll keep a blanket of cloud for most of us, although here and there we might see some breaks in the cloud. Northeast Scotland, the southeast of England, two likely areas to see some lengthy clear spells. If that happens, we'll see temperatures dipping, well, maybe to 2 or 3 degrees, so not too far from a frost. Most of us, though, will stay frost-free. Now, it's high pressure nearby that's keeping the weather very quiet and settled at the moment. That's not what Ellen MacArthur wants to see on her charts at the moment, though. She heads up towards the Azores. She's got to go right through the middle of that high over the next couple of days. High pressure means a big hole in the winds, and that's what she's got to negotiate. The speeds will drop right away for a time before eventually towards the weekend she starts to pick up the winds again as she gets tantalisingly close to that finish line. But that high pressure is still keeping things fairly quiet for us tomorrow as well. A lot of cloud around once again, I think. Thick enough to give some patchy rain here and there. Northwest Scotland, again, the most likely spot for that. Go to the east of high ground and you've got the chance of some sunshine, so most likely for eastern Scotland, northeastern parts of England, but elsewhere across southern England we might see a few breaks in the cloud come the afternoon. But as I say, essentially it will be a cloudy day. The rain pepping up a bit in the northwest later on, but still the winds coming in from the Atlantic means that it will be relatively mild, still 8 to 11 degrees. The top temperature. That's going to start to change, though, by the end of the week. Friday, still cloudy but mild in the south. It starts turning wet across the north, and it's as that band of rain works its way southwards through Friday night and into Saturday that we start to see colder air tucking in behind. So a very different feel to the weather, I think, for this weekend. It will be colder. Wintry showers, certainly for northern hills. A little bit of sleet down to lower levels as well. And as the weekend goes on, some widespread nighttime frost. But we will see a welcome return, I think, of those sunny skies. Anna, back to you.